Want to know how to convert text to Morse code in Java? In order to convert text to Morse code is super simple. We just simply build a hash map character or string. So as you can see in the fifth line right here, we start with that, and then we read or hardcore all the input string and call it to uppercase. We just convert it all to uppercase first up. Then iterate each character and print map.get or default with triple slash or double slash. So that's it. So what we have done is we have just simply 26 alphabets right here, and then just simply kept it as a Morse code. That simple mapping handles letter to Morse translation instantly. To extend or add numbers and punctuation on the map, and for timing effects, you can also add thread.sleep with bracket of 200. This is a good method between symbols for an audible or visual demo. On screen, show the mapping quick snippet and then run the Java code. And that's it. Here you can see how Morse code has been successfully drawn right here, and that's it. So super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.